Hey everybody, Josh the RV Nerd, heading home after what might be our most successful sale weekend ever. We'll call this maybe one of my car confessional series. Maybe we'll start a new playlist. Anyway, I'm just reflecting back on the week that we had here, and I just want to give a lot of thanks. I don't want this to turn into one of those Academy Award speeches where the symphony swells up and plays me off the stage, but there's a ton of people that I need to thank for everything that went into this weekend, whether it's advertisers, whether it's just the extra time and effort by our staff. But the first people I want to thank, I think, are actually the families of our staff members. We've got a really good, hard-working, dedicated team, and on our staff works 6 days a week. Some people ask us why we don't stay open later on Saturdays, why we don't have Sunday hours. That's because we've got one shift. We are a big store, but we are a family-owned, operated store, and we do want to give people some reasonable time home with their families. Your kids are very important. You got to invest in them too. But we do ask them 1 weekend a year, when you wake up in the morning, kiss your wife. When you come home at night, tuck your kid in bed. Other than that, go to work and strap on those running shoes, and everybody knuckled down. And that also means that the various families, they sacrifice too. They sacrifice a lot. Now, obviously, this weekend wouldn't have meant anything without all the folks that just gave us the opportunity to earn your business, and that's all I ever ask for. We put a ton of time and effort into educating clients, and we put in all those videos and all the information and all the time and the effort and the pictures and everything to help you understand what you're buying, why you're buying it, the difference from A to B to C. And all we ask for in return for that is just a fair shake at working with you. And we don't win them all, but from what I saw this weekend, we won more than the lion's share of them, that's for sure. So thank you everyone who came in, who called, who emailed. We are still working through that call log, trying to get back to everybody, and we're trying to make sure the first person that called is the first person to get called back. And it just, the influx was just tremendous, absolutely overwhelming. So bear with us a little bit longer there. And I want to give a thanks to Outdoor Adventures. They are a series of camping resorts in Michigan. They came down, they actually just did some grilling for our customers, helped feed the people as we were out there working for everybody, and obviously fed our staff too, since we had staff. It's like, man, I'm sorry I'm half chewing a burger in front of you here, but there's just no time to stop and break away with everyone that's here. So thank you for everyone who was understanding of that, and thank you to all of our manufacturers who had various representatives take extra time away from their families on this weekend to join us and help assist additional clients, and help our staff and all the questions and all the answers and just the extra time that they put in. So there's just so many people. We had representatives from all of our brands, I think, Jayco, Forest River, Coachman, Winnebago, Keystone, Highland Ridge, everybody. It just, such a team effort went into this. I hear sometimes people say, man, Josh, you're the reason we're here. And I appreciate that, I do. But I'm not the reason you came to Haylett RV. I might be the reason that you picked up the phone or something like that. But the other person at the other end of the phone, they're the reason that you actually made the trip in. The service department, they're the reason that you leave happy and that you stay happy after the sale. They're a very underappreciated asset of Haylett RV, our service team. It takes everybody, the finance guy, the guy who walks you through the camper, the people that did all the things that you never saw. It's such a massive undertaking, everything that goes into this. I'm so thankful for the great team around us, all the people that came in, and everyone that supported us along the way. So, from the bottom of our hearts, guys, from my family to yours, thank you for an amazing 30 years. God willing, 30 more. So as always, take care, stay safe, have fun, and happy camping, everyone. Should probably keep my eyes on the road.